Hi everyone, my name's Cheryl Hurst. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator here in Sydney, Australia. How are you today? I'm back at the page 12, and this is number 6. So how I count them is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I count the cards, not the tags. Okay, or it's the first one on the second line. Okay, so that's what we're going to do. But I'm changing it up a little bit today. So number 6, that's how the layout is, and I'll give you all those proper dimensions for that. That's a punch, that's the 1 3/4 inch punch for the circle punch. Okay, so I am changing it a little bit to suit what I want to do. But this is what you want to do. You've got the basis of it, that's what I'm showing you. That's the card. And I am going to change it just a little bit. So I'm using the Friendly Seagulls. They're so cute. And I'm using the cane weave embossing. So I've got it all here, and I have coloured it to save time. And that's so I'm using the paper from Celebration. It's the, I should know, Blooms. It's there. Bloom Impressions. It's a 12 by 12. It is just bunch of it, that's not part of it. That's gorgeous. Okay, that piece snuck in there somewhere. Okay, and I'm using the punch, which is I've got it here somewhere. This one, this punch, and it's a carryover, and it's called To the Point Label Punch. It's a great one. It's a carryover. So we love that, and I've got the, so I'm adding an extra layer on here, so I thought the basket weave will go a bit nautical sort of thing, so I'm going to glue that on. You could use the swirl, I'm putting a lot on because it is embossed, and you want that to stick, so I'm putting that first one down. Okay, and with this one, what I did was just fold it in half very gently, just pinched here, and that's how I cut that, so it will be in the middle. Okay, so that's all I did, and all I'm going to do there is put that on here. I'm going to glue that on. And I'm going to center it, and it will go over a little bit, but you can shorten it if you want. But that's the piece. Did I put that up the right way? And then I've got a square. It's not actually a proper square, because I think oh no, it is a proper square. 7, so it's a 3 by 3 inch one, or 7.5 square. So I'm going to put that on there. So I am just going to, it's the same paper, DSP, and I'm putting the the glue right to the ends, because I don't want it to seep out. So we've got that. Now we've got the seagull, and I've used Smoky Slate, used Daffodil Delight, and I've used Pecan here, and I want to put him there. I just wanted to save times and save you watching me colouring in. I will do a colour class later, but most of you know how to use the blends. And I think I'll just put one up the top, and those ones there. I'm putting too many on there. Okay, so I'm going to make sure that is quite stable. And I am going to put that in the center. for my centre. And I'm going to use, put the glue back on. I'm going to use Smoky Slate. That's my favourite grey. I love Smoky Slate. And, oh, here it is. And I'm going to use Hey Friend. And instead of having the circle, I'm using the strip, and I've added a piece there. I'm going to put Hey Friend down there, just like that. And I'm going to cut straight. That'll be a miracle. And I'm just going to cut that like that, and these dimensionals fit. Yep, beautiful. And I'm just going to put it there, sort of roughly where that piece was. So you don't have to use the same things, but you know, you've got the basic design there of that. So I hope you like that, because I just wanted to show you the template and how you can change it a bit. Okay, so thank you very much, and remember, celebration's still on. This is, you can get that for free. This stamp set is so cute, and all you have to do is spend $100 in my online store, and you can claim that as free. That's before shipping. Okay, so it's very easy to spend it, and the same with the paper. It's $100, so spend $200 and get both. Anyway, I hope you have a wonderful time, and I'll see you later. See you, bye.